Hello viewers, welcome to LinuxSimply. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change folder permissions in Linux recursively. So let's get started. There are two methods to change folder permissions in Linux recursively. The first one is using the terminal and the second one is using GUI. At first, I'm going to show you some examples of changing the folder permissions recursively with the terminal. So for this, I'm going to open the Ubuntu terminal. Now I'm going to show you the use of chmod command to change folder permissions in Linux recursively. So let's see the current file permission. ls command is used to show the contents inside a specific folder, and option L is used to show the long listing format. This is the folder I'm going to use here. So now tapping on the enter button. These are the files and subfolders inside this summer folder. Now let's change the permission of the folder recursively. This R option is used to enable the recursive mode, and this chmod command changes permissions of the files and folders, and this portion will add read, write and execute permission to the owner and the groups, and this is the specific folder. Now I'm tapping on the enter button. Now let's check if the permissions are changed or not. Tapping the enter button again. As you can see, all the files and folders permissions are changed, and these are done recursively. Now I'm going to show you the use of find command along with the chmod command to change folder permissions recursively. Let's check the current permission of the folder using the same process. This is the folder I'm going to use now. This find command is used to search for files and directories in a specified location based on provided options. This is the path of the folder, and this option is to search for a specific directory, and this is used to execute the chmod command on each file found by the find command. And chmod command changes files and folders permissions, and this value will add read, write and execute permission to the owner, and read and execute permission to the groups, and no permission to other users. And this is a placeholder that represents the name of the found file and is replaced with the actual file name when the command is executed. This portion indicates the end of the command. Now pressing the enter button to continue, and now I'll check if the permissions are changed recursively or not. As you can see, I have successfully changed the permissions of the subfolders inside the winter folder. Now I want to check if the winter folder's permissions are changed or not. As you can see, these are also changed as well. Now I'm going to show you how to change permissions recursively using GUI. For this, I'm going to the home directory, and I'm going to change the permissions of this folder. You can also select a one, and I'm going to the properties, and now I'm going to the permissions. Next, I'm going to click this, and these are the file permissions and these are the folder permissions inside the Spring folder. You can select any of these according to your choice and simply change it. This is how you can change permissions recursively using graphical user interface. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try this out and let me know in the comments below. Bye bye.